coming to today's class, let me start the class with the concept of dialectical materialism. All right, so which is an important one to understand Marxism, because Marxism is based upon the approach that is advocated by Hegel. So that is this concept of dialectical materialism. The concept of dialectical materialism, it is actually given by Hegel, where according to Hegel, all right, that is Hegel viewed ideas as the basic driving force behind change, right? So for Hegel, it is ideas or consciousness. Ideas or consciousness, which is the basic driving force which drives social change. Whereas if you take Marx, for Marx, it is matter, which is the driving force. That is, it is the material conditions that will shape society, and contradictions in the material conditions which will bring social change. Right? So remember this point. So it is the contradictions in material conditions of society which will drive the change. All right. So that is the reason why we say dialectical materialism as the philosophical foundation of Marxism. All right. So it is this what you call dialectical materialism. If you take the importance of this dialectical materialism, all right, it justifies change as a dynamic process. Change as a dynamic process. All right. That is, society evolves. Society evolves, all right, because of this contradictions. All right, because of this driving force. So it justifies a revolution. The importance of this dialectical process lies in, right, justifying a revolution as an essential condition for bringing change. Right? The importance lies in explaining social change as a dynamic process. Social change as a dynamic process. So this dialectical materialism offers a comprehensive framework. It offers a comprehensive framework to analyze the social process, particularly conflict, change, and development. That means to understand the link between conflicts, change, and development. So this doctrine or this concept of dialectical materialism helps in understanding this dynamic social process. So change is a social process. Development is a social process which comes only with the conflicts. All right. So here lies the importance of Hegel. Here lies the importance of dialectical materialism. Right. So remember, though dialectical materialism forms the philosophical foundation of Marxism, the ideas of Marx are different from the ideas of Hegel. Right. So according to Hegel, there are three important laws that explains change and contradictions. So what are these three laws? The first one is transformation of quantitative into qualitative, unity or coexistence of opposites. Third one is negation of negation. All right. So these are the three important laws as